How to delete all reposts on TikTok at once. Start by opening the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're in the app, tap on the me icon at the bottom right corner. That's your profile. Now, look for the reposts icon. Tap on that, and you'll see all the videos you've reposted. If you want to delete just one repost, tap on the video you want to remove. Then, tap on the share button, which looks like an arrow pointing to the right at the bottom right corner of the screen. Finally, tap remove repost, and it's gone. Now, if you're looking to delete all your reposts in one go, unfortunately, TikTok doesn't have a button for that yet. But don't worry. Go back to your profile and tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Then, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Scroll down and tap on Submit a Report. Tell TikTok support that you need help deleting all your reposts at once. Just give them a heads up, and they'll get back to you. And there you have it. While TikTok may not have a direct option to delete all reposts at once yet, reaching out to their support team is your best bet for now. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. See you next time.